Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the single, correct Google account is on the phone and syncing. This is critical because restoration happens at account level. Once signed in, make sure Sync Contacts is active and the device is online since the restore pulls data from Google servers. Open the Google Contacts app or, if possible, Contacts. Google, on a browser to access account tools. This gets you immediately into the correct context. Without the right account and sync, Restore won't find your contacts. Now you use Google Contacts Undo Changes feature. That's the reliable method because it rolls the account back to a prior state. In the App Tap menu, right arrow settings, right arrow Undo Changes, then pick the time frame up to 30 days that contains your lost contacts. If you're on a browser, use more right arrow Undo Changes and select the same time frame. Once you apply the undo, Google updates the account on the server. Within minutes, the device sync process pulls those restored. Finish by forcing a manual sync so changes appear immediately. Go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, right arrow your account, and tap Sync Now. Make sure the Contacts app is set to display that Google account. Hidden filters often look like missing contacts. If you still don't see them, verify you use the exact Google account that contained the contacts, and consider restoring from a Google Drive device backup only if that backup was made earlier. Key troubleshooting tip: if sync fails, toggle sync off and on and retry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.